guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So I have another Walmart video for you guys. So I have compiled a list of top 10 deals that you should consider doing this weekend. So I have a printable list for you guys. All the printable coupons will be linked in that breakdown for you guys to go ahead and print at home. And you're going to need 2 rebate apps for these deals. So you're going to want to download Ibotta. I have a link below. And you also want to download Fetch Rewards because those 2 apps are going to give you even more savings. So let's just go ahead and get into the Walmart deals. Okay, so you can access these deals with the printable coupon, or you can just go ahead and visit my website, ginashweppy.com, and everything will be accessible to you. So the first deal is going to be on the Perfect Bar. So these are priced for $1.98. You can find these in the produce section. So they're priced for $1.98. There is a $2 cash back on Ibotta, so it makes it a 2-cent moneymaker. I have tried the peanut butter one and I've tried the chocolate chip one, and I really do enjoy them. If you're on keto, they're about 9 net carbs. So they're kind of high in the net carbs, but for like a little treat that's not terribly bad for you, it's a great option. So the Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioners, they're priced for $2.97 each. And what you want to do is buy 2 of them for $5.94. Now we got a 4 off 2 coupon in the February 10th Retail Me Not. So the final cost is just 97 cents each. So great deal. So the next deal is on the soft soap hand soaps. So they're priced for 98 cents, and you want to buy 2 of them for $1.96. So you're going to want to submit 75 cents back to Ibotta. I have a referral link below if you guys want to go ahead and sign up. So it makes them 61 cents each when you buy 2 of them. So the next deal is on Huggies Pullups. So there's a great Ibotta offer, you guys, and printable coupons. So when you buy Pullups, so they're $1.89. So buy 2 for $17.98. And then use 2 printable $1 off 1 coupons. And then Ibotta has a $2.50 back on 2 Ibotta rebate. And you can submit to Fetch Rewards. And there are bonus points that are triggering for Huggies brand items. So final cost is $6.72 each. So if you are a formula mama, the Similac formula tubs, the 22.2 ounce, they're priced for $25.94. There is a $3 Ibotta rebate you can use, and then you could submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards and get an additional $4. So you're saving $7 with rebate apps. And then if you have any formula checks, use them here. The final cost without formula rebate checks is $18.94. So the next deal is on the All Whites Liquid Egg Whites. So they're priced for $4.97 at Walmart, and there's a printable $1.25 off 2 coupon. This coupon rarely comes out, so definitely print it when you see it. So final cost when you buy 2 is $7.69 for the both of them, which is really great. And this is a great keto staple. So the Gerber organic food pouches, these are priced for $1.38, and there's a printable $1 off 4 coupon. So buy 4 of them for $5.52, and you're going to use that $1 off 1 coupon. I have it hyperlinked for you guys right here. So you would pay $4.52 for the 4 of them, then submit 25 cents to Ibotta for any baby food. So final cost is $1.06 each. Now the 2-pack Gerber baby foods, these are $1.28 each. So buy 6 for $7.68. There is a printable $1 off 1 coupon that you can print, or $1 off 6 coupon, and then you submit 25 cents to Ibotta for baby food. So final cost is $1.07 each. And finally, the Eucerin Baby Eczema Relief Cream. If your kids have eczema, this is a fantastic item to grab. So the Eucerin Baby Eczema Lotion, they are priced for $7.47. And then there is a printable 3 off 1 coupon that you can use. So it makes it $4.47 each. Now, lastly, the Nivea body lotions, they're priced for $5.12 each. So you can buy 2 of them for $10.24, and we have a high value printable 4 off 2 coupon. If you want to definitely print this coupon because you want to save this because there might be a better deal with CVS. So anytime this 4 off 2 coupon comes available to print it. So final cost is $3.12 each, or So final cost is $3.12 each when you buy 2 of them. So these are all of the weekend deals that I think are fantastic deals over at Walmart. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys like this, weekend deals for Walmart. Let me know, because I know most of you probably hit up Walmart on the weekend because that's when a lot of us are off and have more free time. So let me know in the comment section below if you would like a Friday weekend Walmart deal, and I will get it going for you guys. So I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.